I love a woman who used to be a wild and crazy little girl. Just harebrained. I think her mother probably wanted to strangle her more times than once. And she grew up and she learned how to use that crazy wild energy and turn it into power and drive and commitment and devotion and excitement for life. And she decided to go and explore the world and follow her dreams and be an inspiration for as many people as she could. And now she's living in a great city and following her dreams and working and traveling and trying new things and doing things that scare her, like jumping out of planes and riding motorcycles and learning to fly. And she's just a very special, special woman to me. And I'm extremely proud of her. She's gone through so much in her life, ups, downs, whirlwinds, excitement, heartbreak, love, adventure. And she's just a rock star. I think she's a rock star. I really do. I believe that. She is a freaking rock star. And I'm not afraid to say it. She's strong, she's independent, she's brave, she's bold, and she's exactly who I want to be when I grow up. And that person is Jordan Rand. That person is me.